In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the Blox Fruits server on Discord. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the Discord application, and you can open this on your mobile device or your computer, it doesn't really matter. So once you're on Discord, we're going to click on the plus icon to add a server, and then right at the bottom, click on join a server. Now in this search box, just type in Blox Fruits like this, and then go and press join server. Now if you get this message saying that the server is currently full, then what I'd recommend doing is just pressing this button a couple of times throughout the day. Because people are constantly joining and leaving the server, you'll need to find a time when there's less members in the Discord channel to go and join it. Now if that's not working, then what you can do is head over to an internet browser, and from an internet server just type in Blox Fruits Discord server, and then click on this top website here, which is Blox Fruits. Now just like before, we can go and accept the invite link, and this is another way to try and join the server. You can see right now that there's 2 million members, which means the server is full. So all you need to do is just keep trying this at different times in the day, and eventually you're going to be able to join this server. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.